every rivers flow. Underneath the golden sun's glow stands a nation proud and tall, with the story echoing through each core. Pakistan, land of dreams, where mountains kiss the sky, it seems. From Karakoram's heights to Karachi shores, a tapestry of culture, rich and pure. From the ancient, the Indus to the modern age, history written on each page. Brave hearts who stood against the night to keep the flame of freedom bright. Pakistan, land of dreams, where mountains kiss the sky, it seems. From Karakoram's heights to Karachi shores, a tapestry of culture, rich and pure. In every melody and every rhyme, echoes of a nation's pride. In every color, every hue, a testament to a spirit true. Pakistan, land of dreams, where mountains kiss the sky, it seems. From Karakoram's heights to Karachi shores, a tapestry of culture, rich and pure. So let us raise our voices high for Pakistan, our home, our sky. Pakistan, our home, our sky. For Pakistan, our home, our sky. Pakistan, our home, our sky. In unity, let's stand and sing for the last. Ooh, na, ooh, na, ooh, na, let us raise our voices high. Pakistan, our home, our sky. In unity, let's stand and sing.